Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into a market update here, taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is falling off a cliff right now. As we see here, currently sitting at 67,592, pulling back exactly as we thought. Okay, we've been calling this for a minute. We saw the divergence. That's what I was saying, guys. Look at these levels. Okay, I was saying look at these levels, because if these levels are not broken and stay broken, you know, we were talking about the 67.5 level that we broke above and we did not stay there. I said pay attention because of the divergence that was forming on the weekly time frame. Now, I told you guys this takes a while to set up. So I know we've been talking about it for about a month now, probably over a month, and we see what's happening. So we're not really concerned with what's going on. We're taking a look here at CoinMarketCap a little bit, and we're getting in that level, guys. You know what I talk about all the time. When the fear greed index is yellow, orange, or red, buy. Okay, where are we at right now? We're yellow. So what are we doing? We're buying, of course. So definitely taking positions, Solana positions, Cardano positions, really just padding up the bags a little bit, and gonna branch out. Once that's set up, we're gonna actually branch out and make sure that our bags are set for the bull run. Okay, we're pretty good. We've been accumulating for a while, but really want to top some positions off, especially with, you know, the sure bets. Like for us, we definitely want to take a look at Avalanche and really dive in to see what the future holds there. What are the plans? I know they had some trouble this year, but you know, really long term, I think Avalanche is a great project. XRP as well. Solana, and you guys know I give Solana a hard time, but I do think Solana will do fine when it comes to you know, being around long term. I do think Solana could reach $1,000. I've said that. So packing some bags with Solana as well, just to really just prepare for the ultimate bull run. You know, we've been accumulating for a while now, so now it's really just ready to go. So fear greed index, as we talked about before, pay attention to that, guys. Do not give in to what everyone is talking about. Now everyone's going to be dumping, everyone's going to be selling this, selling that, and getting out. Oh, we need to wait. Guys, this is when you just hold. Not financial advice. This is what we're doing. This is when you hold. This is when you say, okay, look, everyone's fearful, everyone's uncertain. This is when I accumulate. Okay, so looking at the charts again, you guys see the levels that we talked about to pay attention to, guys. We're crossing that 67.5 again. The next step is 60,000. Let's say 60,500. If we break beneath, and I'm gonna say it, and I know everyone gives me crap because I say these predictions, but when it plays out, you know, we get our kudos, right? But check this out. Pay attention to this weekly divergence. Okay, weekly divergence is right here. We have it marked for you. Okay. The weekly divergence is here. Okay, pay attention to this. With this divergence, and we see here what's happening right here. We see here there's not really, this is divergence. Okay, we can call that divergence. It's a little ugly, but it's divergence. So the weekly time frame is going to take a while. With this divergence, if this crosses beneath the 50 is right here. You see our cursor moving. This is the 50. If this crosses the 50, be prepared for Bitcoin to get into $50,000 range again. Okay, and that's okay. All this is okay, because think about it. We've been having this trend line here for a while. This red trend line. If this breaks, we're actually moving more towards honoring this trend line. Okay, wherever that may be. It could be 50. It could be up here. We're honoring this trend line. Okay. Preferably, we would be around here. Preferably, we don't hit here. That would be kind of traumatic, but but look at these levels of support and just remember it's okay. This is a long-term game, guys, because this is what happens, right? We make some pullbacks like this. people get shaken out, and then typically we turn into a bull run. People are late to the party, and once they're late to the party, then they pretty much leave the markets never to be heard from again, while other people make a ton of money and are able to get to their financial goals. That's typically how it works. Okay. So right now you're going to see a lot of selling. You're going to see a lot of people scared and getting out. And then you're going to have people that are just holding. And you know, we're here for it. We're here for it. And it's to be expected, guys. No healthy market goes up forever. So the pullbacks happen. If you look at that as an opportunity and don't fall into this trap right here where the fear, greed, and as soon as people are uncertain, people start, oh my gosh. Or here's another play. People try to sell in hopes for a drop, and then they end up messing up their whole bag. Okay. So, you know, that is another play. Have we done it before? We have. Do we do it a lot? Absolutely not, because it's too risky. It'd be a lot easier to just accumulate more at lower prices while they're pulling back than it would be to try to double your bag. Oh, I'm gonna sell my one Bitcoin here at 67,000, and then it jumps down to 57. I just made 10% more Bitcoin. I mean, you'd have been better off just holding and make 10% on your current money going to the upside long term with no risk. Only risk is if you know the price action of the asset, which we know, everyone knows at this point Bitcoin is going up. It's just a matter of when. So the pullbacks don't phase us. The pullbacks are seen as opportunities. So don't fall into this trap here of falling into this fear, greed. And like I said, yellow, orange, and red, those are buy signals for quality projects. Now is not the time to look at meme coins. Meme coins are going to dump. Meme coins are going to fail right now during pullbacks. Now is the time to accumulate quality projects that are taking a hit and going to take a hit during this pullback. Okay, we see here XRP's at 49 cents, so finally under 50 cents. We see Cardano 38 cents already. Holy cow. Okay, Avalanche $26, Polkadot $5.80. Like, we see it. Okay, we see the pullbacks happening. Take advantage of those pullbacks, because now's the time. You even have Hedera down to 7 cents. Okay, Hedera's down to 7 cents. You know, it's just now's the time. Okay, so definitely utilize this time as an opportunity and try not to give me a hard time with our price predictions. We do have actually Bitcoin sitting at $65,027 right now. Okay, I had the zone marked up. I thought it was 67, but currently at 65,000. So you know, we are probably in for a ride if we break this level. So it's a breaker bounce level right here at 60,500 breaker bounce level. So do not be surprised if we break. If we break, it's okay. The next stop will be 52.5. Okay. So guys, just definitely wanted to highlight and give you a market update. There's some price action. I know you guys have been asking a lot about it. We're here for it. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. See you soon.